In this video, I'll show you how to update the YouTube app on both iPhone and Android, so you can make sure you're running the latest version with all the newest features. If YouTube is glitching, missing features, or not working properly, updating the app usually fixes the problem. First, go ahead and close the YouTube app completely on your phone. Just swipe it away so it's fully closed. The easiest way to update YouTube is through the App Store on your device. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Now search for YouTube. If you see an update button, just tap it and let the app update. If it says open, that means you're already on the latest version. This works most of the time, but there's another method that does a deeper refresh and can fix stubborn issues. On iPhone, open Settings and scroll down until you find YouTube in the app list. Tap on it, then choose Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data. Once it finishes, tap Reinstall App. This clears cache and temporary files and forces YouTube to install the latest version. If you're on Android, the steps are slightly different. Press and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap the info icon at the top. Go into Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, go back, tap App Details and Store, and uninstall the app. Once it's uninstalled, tap Update or Install to download the latest version of YouTube. This forces a clean update and gives you all the newest features and fixes. Once the update is done, open YouTube again, and you should be good to go. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new channel on YouTube, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.